Here's the buttonhole. We're going to show you the buttonhole. It's working. And please make sure you have a person know how to use it and what he's doing. Go ahead. You're going to put the fabric underneath. You have a lever over here on the side. You push the lever down and the machine starts working. It cuts. And you see here the stitch. Beautiful, both sides. This is the other side. We'll do more. Make sure you have somebody experienced with it. You see the hole, and we already tested before many times, as you see over here. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. Okay, thank you.